Okay, in this case, we have, I believe, the originals. Or somebody put those in. A little heavier. Those are 10s. Only thing I'm thinking about screws. Did you find a screw in your tire? It wasn't me. Oh. Alright. Are you missing one shot? You got two? There we go. Sometimes they come right out, sometimes they don't. This is not a, this isn't one of those. This is another one. It's got different setup on it. Just pushes it. Okay. Oh, and that one's been broken. That broke off. What you got up in here? You got your AC accumulator, and then your power steering lines are here. Because of course I did that, didn't I? Alright, let's see. Gonna go up in there and find on those lights. So change this one. Simple to do once you're in here. Yep, you're burned out too. And I'll bypass using a Noid kit because you saw that in the last one. Okay, let's go. Salt all over it, which sucks. Alright, let's go. Come on, there we go. Alright. Huh. Looks like a good bulb. Looks like a good bulb. Maybe we're gonna throw the Noid kit on it, see if it actually is a bulb or wiring. Noid. Okay. Maybe, I don't know. Kind of weird. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if it's a bulb or the wire. Yeah, what is it? Bulb or wire? Huh? We got a wiring problem. Terrific. Ah, man. Oh. I hate when that happens. Yeah, because that bulb looks good. So guess what? We got a wiring issue. Great. Back to the drawing board. Gah! Man. Why? Doggone it. Son of a gun. Yep. The Noid doesn't come on. We got a wiring issue. got that issue too. Okay, I'm gonna go in the same harness to you. Okay, here's your turn signal, so that means you definitely gotta go through that. Oh man, hecky there. See that? I wonder if the situation is the same on this side, because I don't have a fog lamp running on this side, and I don't have a running light on this side. So I wonder if I've got, well, I can see right now. It's tied together. Something got in here eating on this stuff or what? But as you can see right there, we got bare wires. Even though it's got nothing to do with the running light, but it's in the same harness. So let's see. See what we got. Those are sometimes what happens is you get corrosion. Gets through the wire into the wiring and then eats the wire. You might see a bubble if you're lucky. I don't know, I got something right here. Might be eating through it. Alright, well, more investigation, we'll see what happens. Technically, without that skirt cover on there, you can get right in here. You can get both of them. That's the only problem. If you got the skirt in the way, there's no way to work around it. I guess you know, it's up to you. I don't know how you're gonna, because it's attached. So right now it's not attached, it's broken up there. So all I gotta do is turn the wheel a little bit and I can get into the areas that I need to get into. So we're in the process of troubleshooting wiring. Quick fix. I was looking inside here, and I think I'll be able to see what we'll see. Okay. Using my test light, you look right. I actually got power on right now. As we look, I don't see it on my meter here. This over here is ground. Top side's a ground. Your lower section's power. I don't know what you're doing. Let me kick lights back off. Good. Let me fix that one. Simple. Okay, now I got power off. Now everything should. Okay. This is your ground. This side. So you should have a. Get my light. Ground on this side. So I got a ground light here. I got a ground light here. You see? Can you see my ground? So my light go green, and this goes green. Okay, well, when I looked in here, I could see that the ground was pushed back on this other side here. It's very sensitive. It's probably getting ready to break. But I was able to, I looked at it like, yeah, what the heck's going on there? And there is a little bit of corrosion back in there. So I cleaned that up a little bit. You got ground here. Now on this side, this is red. This is your power side. And when I turn my key on, wait for that. I think I got noise for that. Maybe not. No. Noise too long for that. Okay, but anyway, I got power on now, so this should go red. Side should go red. Oh, still touching green. Okay, green, green, green. I don't have a turn signal. One's a turn signal, and one's your running light. So I got green, green here, solid green, and then that's also green. Oh, there's your power. Okay, so I got a power here. You can see red, and the other side's green. Get you to go green. Green, green, red, and green. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, this is green, this is red over here. This is your hot. Over here, on right next to it, is green. Okay, so that makes sense to me now, because that's your running light. Now, if I go ahead and put the, that's the one that was screwed up. So your power's on one side, on the other. So now I've got the turn signal on, so I should be getting intermittent on the other side, right? Yeah. So if I hold, so now you can see the power blinking, and then of course on this side, right next to it is also green. No, that blinks. Nope, that's solid. But your red on that side is intermittent. Okay, so with that said, what I just did is I pushed that was the power too. So I pushed the power one back forward just a little bit, and we should be good. But the only problem is I'm not blinking. Why am I not blinking? I've got the turn signal on. Huh. Okay, I should be blinking. Might be wrong bulb. Yeah. I grabbed another bulb. I thought the one I had was bad. Where are you? Different bulb. Where are we? See if I get the right, see if I find the right bulb. All right, just got back, got me a new bulb here. These are 3757s in Sylvania. I looked at that other bulb and it looked like the running light filament was hanging. So let's go ahead and see if this cures this. And we'll be back to working on the live lamp. You got nothing now. The wrong way. Oh, I put it the right way. What the heck? Alright, still no blank. See if I got running light. Okay, so I got a running light now. But I still don't have a blinker light. And it's indicating that because your blinker light's gonna blink fast. Okay, so I got running light on right now, along with blinker. Now why? Power there. Should be green. Okay, that's blinking right now. So why? Okay, we're blinking. I have power on that side, blinking on this side. All I can see is I got freaking issues with ground. Well, shoot. I've got power here. And it's blinking. I got power on the other side. Well, I don't know what ground it is. Green. Huh.